Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're at the Easter Car Show in St. Louis, and this is a 1970 Opel GT. And if you do a little research on Opel, you'll find out they were made by, I believe it was Pontiac. Hell, it could have been Oldsmobile, but I believe it was Pontiac. And they were made in Europe. Not sure what year they started and not sure what year they stopped, but I remember as a kid the Opel GT was kind of a big deal. And you can see why. It's just a great looking body, great body lines. So it's an Opel 1900. I'll do some research and drop some information below when I post this. Let me avoid the shadow, but great, that gas cap, that's pretty darn cool. Very unique. So really a cool car. They had a unique badging. And there's the Opel GT badging. And then they got the Opel badge on the front, kind of like almost like ZZ Top. But again, 1970 Opel GT 1900. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.